Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Google Maps and immediately allow locations so pins and routing are accurate. Sign into your Google account to sync saved places and timeline. This makes future steps faster. Type your destination into the search bar or tap directions. Pick driving, walking, transit, or biking. Once done, glance at the route preview and estimated time. Make sure to tap the three-dot menu to access route options, like avoiding tolls or highways, before you start navigation. Now you build a reliable plan. Download an offline map of the region so you keep navigation without data. Preview public transit schedules and alternate routes. This prevents surprises when transit or traffic changes. Add intermediate stops and save key places to a list, restaurants, hotels, attractions, so you can tap them quickly while driving or walking. Once done, set a departure or arrival time for transit planning, and review real-time traffic layers and incidents to confirm the fastest route before you hit start. You're in navigation. Follow turn-by-turn voice guidance and glance at the map for upcoming maneuvers. Switch to satellite or street view to recognize landmarks. If your connection drops, maps will use downloaded offline data and continue routing. Make sure the area was downloaded beforehand. When you arrive, end navigation and save any new places to your lists. If things go wrong, toggle location services, force close, and reopen the app, or switch to the cached offline route. These steps usually restore accurate directions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.